In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce with Square and sync your products and inventory. Before you begin, the most important first step is to back up your WooCommerce store. This gives you a safe restore point in case anything doesn't sync the way you expect. When you're connecting two systems that both manage products and stock, it's always best to protect your existing data first. Next, confirm that any matching products in WooCommerce and Square have unique SKUs, and that those SKUs correctly match between both platforms. The SKU is what helps identify the same product across both systems, so taking a moment to verify this now can prevent duplicate items or incorrect syncing later. Once that's done, open your WordPress dashboard. From there, install and activate the official Square for WooCommerce plugin. Make sure you're using the official plugin so you have access to the proper connection and synchronization settings. After activation, go into the Square settings inside WooCommerce. This is where you'll link your store with your Square account and control how the sync behaves. Click the option to connect your Square account, then sign in to Square and authorize WooCommerce to access it. During this process, just follow the prompts on screen until the connection is complete. When prompted, select the correct Square business location. This step matters because inventory is often tied to a specific location inside Square, and choosing the wrong one can cause stock numbers to appear incorrectly. Next, decide whether WooCommerce or Square will be your main source of product information. In other words, choose which platform should be treated as the system of record for product data. This is important because it affects the direction of your initial sync and helps avoid unintended overwrites. Then enable product and inventory synchronization. With sync turned on, both platforms can begin sharing changes based on the settings you've chosen. After that, run the initial sync in the correct direction. Take your time here and make sure it aligns with the platform you selected as your primary source of truth. Once the sync finishes, check that product quantities match on both platforms. Compare a few items carefully to make sure the numbers are consistent. Now test the connection. Change the inventory for a product in Square, then verify that WooCommerce updates. After that, change the inventory for a product in WooCommerce and verify that Square updates as well. This confirms that synchronization is working both ways as expected. If any products fail to update, review the synchronization logs. The logs can help you identify what went wrong so you can correct the issue and get everything syncing properly.